Alright guys, so today we're doing something a little bit different on the channel. We're going to be doing an interior detail on my 2013 Subaru BRZ. So I'm going to move this into the driveway and we'll get started. So, being completely honest, even as a detailer, I have let the interior of my car completely get out of hand. I haven't maintained it at all, really. That's all on me. But today we're fixing that. So first off, what we're gonna do is kind of take a look at what the vehicle looks like as it stands on the inside, and then we're gonna start tearing through what we're actually dealing with. All right, so right now I have a lot of debris, a lot of trash, random stuff that I should have taken out here a long time ago that I just never got around to it. If you look back here, it's not in the best shape. So what we're gonna do is take care of that today and hopefully make it look a lot better. Right. So the first step of actually doing that is actually gonna be taking care of our floor mats. We actually have two different styles of floor mats in this vehicle for some reason. So this one, plastic rubberized floor mat, this is for the trunk. We're going to take care of this with Express and our drill brush, and then on the actual carpet mats we're going to hit these with our vacuum cleaner and then run Terminator, Carpet Bomber, and Finisher on these just to get them cleaned up and looking nice before we put them in the car. All right, so now that we got all the trash taken out of here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna come through with our vacuum, do our preliminary clean. We're gonna use that same upholstery method that we used on the floor mats. We're gonna use that on the carpets and the front seats, as well as some of the fabric that's in random places on the interior. Everything else we're gonna be hitting with Express and one of our Detail Factory brushes. Everything from here is pretty much straightforward, so we're just going to do another time lapse just to bust through everything real quick while we clean it up. All right, so with that, all the interior detailing is actually done. All we got left to do is throw all of the floor mats back into the vehicle, and we can wrap this up. All right, and that is our end results. Got her all nice and cleaned up. All right, and with that, the interior detail on my BRZ is complete. For those of you who paid really close attention in those time lapses, you notice I didn't spend a lot of time cleaning the rear seats. The reason why is I'm literally going to delete them as soon as I'm done recording. That being said, I really don't have anything else for you today. That's the end of the video. Please like and subscribe. It's really appreciated. It shows a lot of love to me, and I really, really appreciate that. But other than that, hope you have a wonderful day. Peace.